Hey, this is Shayaa here and welcome to the house of
If
Shayaa.
you've been feeling lazy with putting any products in your hair the past weeks actually because of lockdown, and you've been neglecting your hair and scalp, just pick up one of our butters, apply it to your scalp and your hair, and let me tell you, if you sit in the shower with it on steam, with a nice hot steam, the butter will penetrate into your scalp and your hair and it will feel so soft and luscious. You're going to thank me later.
There could be a number of reasons as to why a person's hair doesn't grow. It could be due to medication, it could be stress, traction alopecia from getting your hair done too tight in the past. It could also be down to diet as well and what you're putting in. If you're not having enough fruit and veg, that can cause your hair to not grow. So just take these things into account.
You might have heard about some of the nasty toxins that are out there in our products. Here's the ones to look out for and to avoid. Paraffinium, petroleum, parabens, lanolin mainly for your locks, waxes. Waxes clog up the locks, you don't need those on your hair. Most of these things are water soluble, waterproof. Some of them are difficult to wash out, especially when you've got locks, so stay away from them. But I want you to do your research, check them out, see why it's best to stay away from them, and to invest in plant-based, natural hair and skincare. Hope that helped.